Want to start a side business and earn an extra $1,000 a month? Here's the key. By following these strategies, I went from penniless to millionaire in my 20s. I'll guide you and give you ideas for side hustles to start earning at least $1,000 a month. Start with service activities, as they require no initial capital. This was my foundation when I started, with nothing at all. 1. Video editing. The demand is huge. If you can tell a story while having technical skills, you can stand out. With the growing demand for video content, becoming an editor can be very profitable, with earning potential of up to $2,000 a month. 2. Graphic design. If you have commercial sense, communication skills and creativity, you can attract customers for YouTube thumbnails, logos, website designs, and so on. Graphic design is a vast and constantly evolving field, offering many opportunities for those willing to invest time and effort in perfecting their skills and making a name for themselves. 3. Create content, whether on YouTube, TikTok or Instagram. Share valuable, authentic content to build a loyal audience. It's very possible to earn $1,000 a month with one of these sideline activities. Choose the one that suits you best. Put in the hard work and persevere. If you'd like to hear stories of young people who've made it, subscribe to my channel for more tips on wealth creation.